CGI needs a vibrant ecosystem, and that means that we want small, medium and large organisations to work with us on all topics, but particularly on sustainability.
We are launching the Nature-Based Digital Tech Ecosystem Initiative to bring on partners to work with CGI to drive sustainable outcomes, not just for CGI, but for the UK, for governments, for businesses and individuals.
Co are really excited to be part of CGI's ecosystem. Co are a small software company based in Glasgow. We need a strategic partner the size of CGI. We're able to model a building and produce detailed, specific costed retrofits for the improvement of energy efficiency of that building.
All of those partners out there that have something in the nature space, if you're sitting there at home and you think, well, my company's got something and I'd like to take part, then reach out. It's a lot of fun. You can come and show us what you've got. Come to Leeds Digital Festival. We'd love to see you. So take a moment and apply, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in Leeds.